Industrial processes currently account for around 25% of overall energy consumption in Europe, much of which still relies on fossil fuels for heating and cooling. This reality poses a major challenge for decarbonization and the fulfillment of climate targets. In this context, heat pumps are an increasingly promising alternative due to their high performance, hybridization with renewable sources, and applicability in different sectors. At TECNALIA, we are working on the design and optimization of thermal systems for the decarbonization of industrial processes, offering innovative solutions that increase the competitiveness and positive impact of our industry. Specifically, prototypes are being developed for both thermally and electrically driven high-temperature heat pumps. We experimentally characterize prototypes, optimize pre-commercial designs, and research key aspects such as lubricant performance and compressor operation. Furthermore, solutions are being developed for steam generation with net zero technologies, testing and validating them on our dedicated steam test bench. All this innovative research in thermal technologies is being translated into reality at real demonstration facilities, like in the Push to Heat project led by TECNALIA, in which high-temperature heat pumps have been implemented to produce processed steam at 2 paper mills in Germany and Italy. Our solutions are applicable to such varied sectors as the food, chemical, pharmaceutical and paper industries, decarbonizing processes and reducing operating costs. At TECNALIA, we turn anticipation into a competitive advantage for companies. The result? Lower emissions, increased energy efficiency and competitiveness of the industry. Because decarbonizing heat is decarbonizing the future.